What's going on, Trap Watchers? Today is July the 23rd, 2021. We're going to see what the Trap has in store for us today. We're going to see where he's going to take the price in Xpeng so that we can be in position and win. If you guys want to join our team, if y'all want to collaborate with us and see how you're able to predict price move without being confused, you're at a great place. I'm going to be real and I'm going to be honest. We focus in on the price. That is the only thing we care about. I don't care about looking at articles. I don't care about someone's tweets. I don't care about how much money a particular company makes, because the Trap, he doesn't care about those things neither. He doesn't sit down at his desk every day and tries to look at Xpeng financial reports. No. His whole purpose, his whole function is to create a market, period. So if he's not worried about those things, then why in the world would we be? We're not. We only care about price and where price is going to go so that we can be in position and win. All right. So if you want to join us, hit the like button, share it, and also subscribe here to the channel, because if you haven't realized, information is being dropped every day whenever the market is open, right? Every price bar you see right there on my chart, every volume bar you see at the bottom is information. And all we have to do is collect it. All we have to do is interpret it correctly, and we can be in position and win. All that other stuff, from technical indicators to fundamental analysis, is all garbage. Yeah, I said it, it's all garbage. It does not give you any competitive advantage amongst everyone else. The less you have on your chart, the better you'll be in terms of seeing where the market's going to go. We're going to show you all that for Xpeng. Now, if you want to join our team, hit it. Hit the like button, share it, and also subscribe. We understand that everyone is not meant for us, and we're not meant for everyone. If you're one of those people who want to learn, who want to join our team, we're here. If not, we'll be fine as well too. All right. So now, last time I did our video in Xpeng, though, let me show you, was on July the 1st. And, you know, we told you all to play the strength into the market. We told everyone in our community that we were looking for the price to go higher in Xpeng, and did it. Like, it happened the day that we did our price prediction. The market in Xpeng came and hit our restriction area. Like, this doesn't give you any, it's powerful. You know, we dictated that area, that horizontal line right there, you guys can see where the arrow was pointing to, would be restriction. And that is literally where Xpeng tagged, and we saw the price come right back down. This is not by coincidence. You got to understand that the market moves calculated. It just doesn't go, you know, free and willing. Like I told you, the Trap has to create. He has to make a market, because without him, price would be erratic. Price would be illogical. Price would be, for instance, in Xpeng, at 1 minute, it would be at $22. The next minute be at 52, right? We need to create a market that is orderly, because everyone is trying to get Xpeng at a cheap price and trying to sell it at a high price. But then you got the flip side of the market. You got people that's trying to short Xpeng at a high price and buy it back at a low price. That's a lot of confusion. So you need to have a conductor. You need to have a person to create the orders, to bring everyone together. This is what he do every day. He creates these markets. And that's why we already knew when we did our last video in July, on July the 1st, that yeah, we need to be careful. You know, $47.75 is restriction. Expect the price to try to come down from that line, and that is precisely what happened the same day. So now the question is Xpeng still going to go higher in price, right? Because you can see that we had our support area around $39.75. The support area actually came down here. Okay, so we appreciate him showing us, rather than having around our last area of support, this is it. Okay, so going forward, we're going to expect the price in Xpeng to continue to bounce in these two lines until we either break out or we break down. Either or, we'll be in position though. Okay, so are we going to have another chance to see the price in Xpeng come up here in our profit area. Let's see on a 3-day time frame real quick. This is the 3-day. Look at that. What do you all think? Just visually looking at all of this information, what can you garner from it? Are you seeing weakness? Are you seeing strength? You can see that we're not having any 50-day, 500-day moving averages on this chart because the trap don't use that neither. He doesn't care about moving averages. Do you see any Fibonacci retracements? No, because he don't use that neither. Do you see any Bollinger Bands? No, because he don't use that neither. What about RSIs? Do you see any RSI on our chart? No, because he don't use that neither. Just looking at the price bars and the volume, what do you expect? What is your prediction? What is your forecast? Because right here on this last 3-day price bar tells us a lot of information already, right? It gives us a lot of information. The only thing that we need to do is, okay, what does it mean for the market in Xpeng to come down here and hold support at 37.50 and then to see the price close at the high? It tells us that the market still has a little bit more gas in the tank to continue to go higher price right there. Okay, at least in the next 3 days of trading. This is the 5-day, and again, for us to see this widespread on this current 5-day price bar, now we got what, 9 hours and 28 minutes left, but for us to at least see that we got one price bar that is encompassing the last 2 5-day price bars also tells us that the overall emotional feel of Xpeng is higher price, meaning that the market is not feeling jittery, it's not feeling nervous, it's not feeling fearful. It is feeling stable, calm, amped to continue to see this market price go higher. Now let me show you something else. Look at this. Okay, just look. We need to be careful. $45 is restriction. Okay, we need to be careful because the market price can come back down, just like I told you all in July the 1st. $45 is restriction. You would expect us to see some selling come through to try to push the price back down in Xpeng. Let's look at the market on the weekly. Pretty much the same thing. So based off of what we have so far into the market in Xpeng, yes, I'm still going to play the strength into the market in Xpeng. $45. Restriction first. Second area, it's around $47.50. So again, will we have another opportunity to top out around $47.75? For sure can. 7.45% a second time. Now I'm going to keep it around $50 to $51.16 for ultimate TP because we can still see the price hit that maybe a week, 2 weeks out from where we are at right now. But generally, the strength is still being revealed here on the chart overall. So we're going to continue to play the market strength in Xpeng. It's just that simple, right? It didn't take us to try to digest the RSI. If it goes over, 20%, that means it's overbought. If it goes under 20%, it means it's oversold. None of that. You don't need none of that. This is what we're expecting. So now you're on our team, right? We're working together, right? So now I want to know, what do you think? What's your prediction in Xpeng? Call the market right alongside with us. Tell us where you're expecting the price to go. Let's do the next 2 weeks. What do you think the market price in Xpeng would be? You guys can tell we didn't change our prediction on this one. We're going to continue to ride with what we talked about on July the 1st. So drop me a comment. Let me know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.